and today I'm going to make an edible Starburst slime. Now let's get started. So I'm going to put all of the Starburst out. Now I'm going to get the red ones and I'm going to unwrap them and put them in this bowl. You can choose whatever flavour you want.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Now you're going to do the same all over again and again. Oh, this is going to take ages. Let's get to the future. Now, I'm going to put these in the microwave for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to do a challenge to see how long I can put a Starburst in my mouth and not chew it. How long do you think? 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe it should have been a challenge to see how long I could keep it in my mouth. Now I'm going to stir it all together. Now my dad's going to put it in the microwave for a bit longer. Still really hard. Okay. Now I'm going to stir it together. Now I'm going to put some corn flour in. I'm just going to knead this for a while. Oh, this feels so good. It isn't as sticky as the other slime video I've done. It smells like strawberry. Now I'm going to put some sweets on it. So I've got my 2 sweets and I'm going to put them on. I'm just making a bowl for where I'm going to put the sweets in. Too many. Oops, that's way too many. Oopsie, too many. Now I'm going to do it with the other one. Now I'm going to put it off. No, it died. Okay. No, it's all falling out. Now I'm going to put some chocolate beads on the sides. Whoopsie. Now I'm going to try and get it to stick. Now I'm pressing them all in. Now my slime's done and I'm going to show you what it's like. So guys, I'm done, so I'm going to taste it. Hey guys, as a result, it's really nice. And really crunchy. I think the hardest thing of making this slime is taking all the wrappers. Bye! Hi, I'm Sparkle and today I'm going to make some Starburst flavoured. Hi, I'm Sparkle and today I'm going to make some edible Starburst slime. Now let's get started. Now my dad's going to put it in the microwave for a bit longer because it's still really hard. Dad, is the camera on?
What?
Is the camera on?
Yeah.